You don't need to be a genius to appreciate the power of data. So today we're going to unravel the mysteries behind data science. Whether you are a complete novice or just curious, we've got you covered. So what is data science? Data science is like detective work for numbers. It's like you collect a number of data, analyze it, and then you interpret and gain the insights, therefore making informed decisions. Data is everywhere, from your social media activity to online shopping. Data is generated constantly. So data science helps us make sense of this vast information that is out there. There are some key concepts that data science use. Data scientists use algorithms, statistical models, and machine learning to uncover patterns and trends in data. Collecting the data is the first step. It can be anything from surveys to sensor readings. The better the data, the more accurate the insights. But wait, not all data is clean. We often have to clean and to process it, ensuring accuracy and removing any noise and errors. Time to dive into analysis, which is the most exciting part about it. So scientists use tools such as Tableau, Power BI, Python to explore and visualize data, making it so easy to understand and communicate the findings to just anyone, to the normal person. After analyzing the data, we dive into machine learning, which also can be a term that maybe you may not understand. Machine learning is like, think of it like teaching computers patterns in the data and using that patterns to make predictions of the maybe future data. You get, let's say for example, they can predict the outbreak of a disease. They can predict that, so they can say the last outbreak we've seen from the data, it happens after every, let's say 10 years. So they can predict the next maybe 10 years another outbreak will happen in the next, Data science is a very fascinating field that empowers us to make better decisions in our data-driven world. Whether you're a beginner or a curious mind, understanding the basics is a great start on your journey. So thank you for joining on this data science adventure. Remember that you don't need to be a genius. Appreciate the power of data. Stay focused. Who knows, you might become a data scientist yourself one day. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy data exploring.